In our top story this hour, a total of 18 suspects that were arrested during the Stutterheim protest in the Eastern Cape appeared in court today. They were arrested for public violence after a clinic and municipal offices were burnt during the violent protest in the area. Angry protesters are accusing municipal management of nepotism. A 21-year-old was killed when police fired rubber bullets to disperse the crowd. Our reporter, Yanga Funani, has more on the story.
We are coming to you from Stutterheim, where the situation is relatively calm as compared to the past 2 days. You'll remember that dozens of youth from the town were protesting over the issue of jobs and improper procedures that are followed when it comes to the issues of employing youth. We believe that 4 buildings belonging to the municipality were damaged, including that of a clinic. But today we are joined by Luxolo Ncumani, who is the spokesperson of the residents. Luxolo Ncumani, a very good afternoon, and thank you very much for joining us.
Good afternoon, sir.
Tell us, we understand that 20 people who were part of the protest are appearing inside the court, and you are here to support them. Why?
The reason why we are here to support those people is because those are comrades, those are our fellow comrades, those are our fellow brothers who had been kidnapped for fighting the issues that affect our people, especially our youth in Stutterheim. So that is why today, as these people, yes, we've gathered here to come and demand their release, because those comrades, they were fighting for these issues, yes, that affect our young people in Stutterheim.
Let's talk about the allegations that you have leveled against the municipality, that of nepotism. How rife is the situation?
There are so many things, including nepotism. These people, when they employ their brothers, they employ their sisters. And it's not a matter of belief, but we've seen it and we've felt that these people, what they are doing, it's against the law. It can't be that you will come from Umtata and employ your own brothers from Umtata. What about these people from this place? Yes, so yeah.
Do they have qualifications for the necessary posts that were advertised?
Yes, they do have qualifications. We have young people who have qualifications, but they do not even call us to come for interviews. Yes, they do not do that. But instead, what they do, they just employ whoever they want to employ, as long as it's their brother, as long as it's their family. Yes, because we do have young people who have learners or who have license to drive cars. Yeah, you understand? So they do not give them an opportunity to come and be interviewed, so that when they win interviews, but
now we are here because 20 people have been arrested, believed to be linked to the banning of government infrastructure. As part of the leadership, are you for the idea that that was something are you condemning or condoning what has happened?
Puti, to be honest with you, we condemn that behavior, and we were busy trying to monitor every situation that was happening from the onset. But what they did, they became so arrogant. They became so arrogant to such an extent that they didn't even want to come. They didn't even want to come to us and listen, as they promised 16 days ago. Yeah, that we are going to have a meeting, and then we are going to listen to your grievances and act upon those grievances.
What happens if they are not released on bail?
What happens if they are not released? Um,
Can I add on that?
yes.
If our comrades are not released today, we won't rest. As the youth of Stutterheim, we won't rest until they are released. That's what we have promised to the MEC. That's what we have promised to the police. We won't rest until our brothers are released. Those people they're arrested because they were fighting for their rights, the right to be employed. We do have a right to be employed. We see people coming from different towns, different locations, working in our own municipality. They're employed here. We don't even know when there are interviews, but we always see new faces every day. There are no posters that shows that on this date, there's this, or adverts, there's this post that has come out, we need this number of people. We've never seen that. We just see people that are not coming from here who disrespect us when we go to the municipality offices. And we don't even know them. We've never seen them. And some are working with their kids in the municipality. Some are working with their brothers. Some are working with their family members. Even if they do, we have many young people in Stutterheim. We have many young people who do have qualifications, but they don't have means or ways to go to the municipality. They don't have ways, because if they go to apply or to ask for anything, they are told. Many have come to report to us that they are told, Indoba, mabakupi 5,000 rands.
Yeah.
That's corruption. We fight against that.
Well, that's the leadership of the residents leveling serious allegations that nepotism is the culture in this municipality. So we will be here until the matter is concluded.